I look like an artist with the glasses, and I look like an artist with the shirt. But see, like, I do look like an artist. Anyways, welcome back to another video. Long time no see. I'm going to show you guys my rosy natural type of makeup look that I've been doing a lot recently, and I've been loving it. My itches. And I've been loving it, so I just want to kind of show you guys. And yes, this makeup look isn't really with like eyeshadow and stuff, just to let you guys know I'm not doing anything crazy. It's just something really simple. So I just moisturize the face, okay? And I like to make sure I put a good amount, because that's what just makes my skin look good lately. And I'm not putting any what is that thing called again? I'm not putting on any primer. So my face looks nice and moisturized. Okay, see? So I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and this is in Natural Beige. Okay. Oh my gosh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to spray my face. I usually spray my face with this after moisturizer. Okay, whatever. So sponge, and I'm just going to be patting that in. Yeah, it looks scary when it's done. Okay. So I crease a lot right here. It's my line, so I don't like to put any foundation on it. I just like to go around it so I can avoid it, because every time I put foundation on it, I crease a lot. It's just, yeah. Okay, we can't forget to moisturize the lips. So we're going to add concealer now, and I'm going to be using the LA Girl concealer in Creamy Beige. I've been using this forever and ever. I just love it so much, to be honest with you. So I'm going to add it. Now it's on to powder, and I use the same powder as always, Laura Mercier. Just been using it. I've been trying out a lot of powders, but so far this one is like my fave. So I'm just going to put this under my eyes. I keep forgetting. Okay, so before I even set anything, I spray my face with this bottle. I spray it a lot actually to keep it hydrated, and I don't know why I'm forgetting. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go in. I'm gonna go ahead and go to the lids, and I'm going to be using, look how old this shit is. Look how old this thing is. You can see the pan. So I'm going to be using the NYC Color Wheel. Okay. And it's All Over Bronze Glow. That's the name of this. And I'm gonna kind of just mix it in with, like, you see all the colors? Just gonna kind of mix it in between these two. And then I'm just going to add some dimension to the lids. Yes. I don't know if you guys can see the difference, but there's a difference. What you could also do is add, see the like eye shade right here and add it to your eyelid, but usually I just like it like this. But let me, I guess I'll just add a little bit. This translucent powder, I'm gonna blend into the skin. So now I'm gonna be getting more of the powder and just use the brush. I'm just gonna, you know, move it around, put it around the face. So right now my face feels nice and set, and it looks pretty bomb, to be real with you guys. I've been obsessed with like bronzing and like I've been obsessed with bronzer and blush. Like I feel like that really just ties everything together, especially like this. Oh my gosh, especially the blush I've been using lately. I just been loving the blush I've been using lately, and I had it for a while now. I just never really used it, and I started using it and I'm just like, what the heck, I've been missing out. So anyways, I'm gonna be going in with the butter bronzer and deep bronzer. Pretty sure you guys can hear my dogs howling in the back because they do that whenever they hear the ambulance. And I'm going to bronze my face. You guys can hear my dogs, right? This smells so good, man. This bronzer. They're still going at it. Can't forget the chin. Lighting looks bad that way, but it looks a little darker over here. But it looks the same on that side. Can't forget the forehead. I feel like bronzer really helps the forehead. Like I don't have a big forehead, but if I don't bronze my forehead, I still feel like, I don't know, like it's dead up there. Like we feel like it's dead everywhere, but I love adding bronzer to my forehead because I feel like it just fixes stuff. I like to get the face brush again. Oh, more close. Kind of just, you know, move, you know, okay. I like to get the face, like the brush I use for the translucent powder, and just kind of move it around to like make it look like it blends in more together, you know. And I always say, you know. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and go into blush, but before I do that, I'm gonna spray myself again with the Marbdesky spray. Feels good. Feels good. And then, okay, so we're going to blush. Okay, so the blush I've been loving so much lately is, drum roll please, is the ColourPop Bretman Rock collection and Ooh She Blushing. Okay, see, look at it, look at her. You better focus, don't focus on the eye. There, okay. Here, see? We're just going to pat it on the apple of our cheeks. I just been loving this blush. I just feel cute. We're gonna go ahead and put some on our nose. Okay. We won't look like Rudolph, especially because it's December, so yes. So there we have the blush. I just feel like it adds something. Of course blush adds something, but this blush is just so cute, and Bretman really did that, and he says what he meant, like, ooh, she blushing. Like, yes, boo, I am. Okay, so I'm gonna be using ColourPop as well in the shade Wisp. Okay, this is like the little highlight that they have. So I'm gonna go ahead and just, how can you not love it? Like, what the heck? And I like to apply it with my fingers. And then I'm gonna add another highlighter, which is more pinky, which is why this look is like a pinky look, because we have blush and we have a pink highlighter. The next highlighter I'm using Urban Decay Naked Illuminated. You can't even see the shade name. Nice and pinky, see, and usually there's like some dust around it and some dust, but you know what I mean. I like to pick it up, and then I go in with palette. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead, mix them together. Okay, put on my nose. Basically the same places where we put the other one. We're gonna be mixing them basically. And then I'll go back with the spray. And spray my face again to just, okay, and then I like to go back in with my spongy, and just pat my face. You kind of let everything just like, I don't know, like set the face. This is basically what I've been doing. I don't really like how it looks right now. I feel like it's because I've been breaking out, so my skin just doesn't, like, sometimes your skin just has to be good, you know, for it to actually look like, oh my gosh, I don't have any pimples. You know what I mean? Like, I could obviously still see my bumps and stuff, but it's okay. But basically still showed you guys the steps that I do. So that's it for like face wise. Now I'm just gonna add the lashes, which lashes make a huge difference, of course. And I'm gonna be using the Ardell Wispies in 113. These are like really bomb, okay? Like, to me, I love them so much. Some people don't like Wispies. I love Wispies. I feel like they're the best. I love, lighting sucks now. They, in my opinion, they're like the best natural lashes to me. Alright, before I end everything, I'm just going to add something simple for this simple look. I'm gonna be using Too Faced Lip Injection, and this one is Let's Flamingo. And yeah, so I'm gonna add that. Don't know, but okay, so this is it. Can't forget to set your face, so use your favorite setting spray. I'm gonna be using the Morphe times Jeffree Star. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I did my hair because, like I said, I mean, it's nothing cute. I just feel like a little bun, whatever I have to do type thing. But I had to do something to my hair because it just looked weird. I don't know. I guess I was not feeling my hair. But anyways, so ow. Anyway, this is the finished look right here. Yeah, something nice and simple and pinky, natural looking. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm sorry if the lighting was just like off. Like, I was trying to work with it. It's night outside, so you know the only lighting that I have is my lights, and I'm only using one right now, and I just feel like I looked overexposed sometimes, so I'm sorry about that. But hope you guys enjoyed it, and subscribe to see more videos, and I'll try to make them better. So you know the lighting isn't so the lighting isn't all messed up and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like I said, if so, then subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.